What is up, guys? The Mass Reviewer here, and today I am reviewing a 2000 Honda Civic EX. This Honda Civic is definitely in great condition for the model year. It has around 178,000 miles on it. So we're going to go ahead and give it a review. This is currently my daily driver, so pardon the mess. But as we come into the interior, we do see that indeed it does have 177,000 miles. It does have an aftermarket stereo. It does have AC, power windows, power door locks, and a sunroof with power mirrors, cruise control. Let's go ahead and fire it up. This is a 5-speed manual. Start it, foot on the clutch, and voila. AC does work. As you can see. I bought this car probably around a month ago, and I've been driving it ever since. But, like I said, it is pretty clean for the model year. Granted, you know, it doesn't have all the bells and whistles as everything else does nowadays. But it does go back and forth to work, which is its primary use. And as I said, relatively clean. Body is in great condition, just needs washed. Trunk space, ignore the junk in the back. And this is a 1.6 4-liter. Pop the hood real quick. This one does have some work done to it. Not crazy amounts, but it does have some newer parts, and it also has a cold air intake as well as a some headers. Headers, cold air intake, and there it is, the 1.6 4-cylinder. Now, even with headers and an intake, this thing is extremely slow. But nobody comes here to race, especially not me. It does have 14-inch wheels. I think the bolt pattern is 4x100. Give it a little bit of gas. There's that. I mean, it is a pretty fun car to drive around, but it's, like I said, it's not fast by any means, but it is a daily driver. It is reliable. I just got the oil changed yesterday. It's a 2000, as I said, and it only weighs 3,400 pounds. And apparently you're only supposed to have 850 pounds of cargo, which includes passengers. So I don't know, if you get 4 of me in there, we're gonna have a problem. But yeah, so this is the review. So far I've only had it a month, like I mentioned, and I haven't had any problems. Actually, yes, I have. I replaced the speed sensor because my speedometer stopped working, but that was a $12 thing off of Amazon. And other than that, I haven't had any issues with it. It's pretty reliable. It definitely gets me back and forth to work, so that's what matters. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching my first video. See ya next time.